So you have exams due tomorrow and you still haven't studied anything, and it's 2 a.m. Well, it's okay, you can still study. But the thing is, your internet is not working. You have tried everything and seen all the videos around the internet. Well, I've got the last solution for you. What you will do is click on Windows R and then type in ncpa.cpl. Then click OK. After that, it will take you to this window. And in my case, I'm using Wi-Fi, but you could be using Ethernet. So in either ways, you click on the internet you are using and right click, click on disable. After that, you're gonna right click again and click on enable. So after it's enabled, you should connect to it again. And after that, it should work. That was it for today, and I'll see you in another video. Stay tuned.